Apparently, they have been seeing each other for a few months now.
Hoy, talaga ba, Day?
Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part, Yoli. The actual tea is... Anong Yoli palod po?
Saglit lang, Day. Anong lodong? Ayan, okay na. Ano yung na-confirm mo, Day?
It has been confirmed that it...
Hay manang Yoli, pabayad naman po ako ng Maynilad. Sureness, Day, okay na. Hi, Di Marites. Did I interrupt something?
Actually,
Okay na, Day. Junaming, salamat. Hey, thank you. Tuloy mo na, Day.
it has been confirmed that... Bakash in po, Gcash. Oh, for goodness sake.
Hey, pasensya na, Day. Medyo busy ba? Gcash dong? Magkano? Okay na.
Yoli, what are all these new services that you're offering?
Ito pala ang take ko sa'yo, Day. Member kasi ako sa Pure Gold. At may exclusive aling pouring app kaming mga tindira. Lakas makadagdag kita nito, Day, kasi tulad ng ganyan, o makabinta ako ng load. Makapakas in ako sa bills payment sa buong barangay.
Is that so?
Yes, Day. Pero ano mo nang i-confirm mo, Day?
It has been...
Palod po for auto sweep.
Uy, Day, Marites, wala pa tayo sa exciting part. Ano yung na-confirm mo, Day? Load dong, magkano?
Asa na ba siya?
Guys, oh my God, so sorry I'm late. Okay, but I'm here. Let's
8 a.m.
go.
ang call time, te. 30 minutes ka na namin inaantay.
Tagal.
Ayaw kasi gumana ng blower sa room.
Saka, te, ba't ka naka-full glam? Is-snorkeling nga ang first ganap this morning. Kanina pa
Ayan, let me see.
Ate, ang haba na ng tila.
Kuya, pwedeng
ROI
pa-portrait
talaga ang tour
naman.
package,
Oo.
te.
Ayan, ganyan,
Okay na
ganyan.
to.
Oh my God, you guys are from Thailand?
Yes, we are. You like Thai food?
Ow. Rai kanto pini, mo shamro pu sham tali ayu sik
pinagsasabi ni Vadim.
Thai.
Kakaiba.
At ni
Laro,
ha, siyang
laro.
runo ha. De, parang may potential to si Kuya, oh.
Ha?
Sparkling yung
Ay, ate, hindi ka magiging tirador ng bangkero. Ate, meron kang minifan?
Ay, meron.
Ate, di ba meron kang power bank? Param naman.
Ha?
Power bank, meron.
Meron.
Ay, very
Abot
tita
nga
ka dyan, te. Truthfully.
Ate, may tissue ka dyan. Sinusumpong ako ng allergy ko.
Ay,
eh.
sa temperature yan, babe.
Ito, oh. Kuha ka na lang.
Thanks, te. Ay, ang bango.
Bango, no? It's the Kleenex Breathe Easy with eucalyptus oil and menthol. Rub mo lang or crumple the tissue to release its comforting scent.
Thank you, te. Akin na lang
O
muna.
siya, sige sa'yo na yan. Naku, perfect yan dyan sa allergic rhinitis mo saka sa mga flu and colds. Perfect yan. Ay, wait lang. Punasan ko lang yung pawis na abs ni Kuya. Kuya Eman!
Order tayo for the table, tapos share-share na lang.
Okay.
Start tayo sa sabaw.
Etong bulalo.
Guys, I don't eat beef pala, ha?
Oo nga. O, ito shrimp sinigang.
Yun.
Go.
I'm allergic to shrimp din.
Sera naman ito ni Bading. Tinola.
Not a fan.
Alam mo, te, mag-separate order ka na ng side.
Separate table.
Separate tour bukas. Kahapon pa kami nagigigil sa'yo, te, ha?
Ilang beses na ako natag sa photo na to. Ito na.
Looking for a new place to try? To get away from your chismosa and Kapit Bahay. A relaxing staycation with your family and friends. Or more than friends. Then why don't you stay with us at Casa Mosa? Experience our unmatched hospitality. Our staff are not only skilled, but also friendly.
Ay, nakamari, magjowa, nag-check-in. Sure na ang pattern. Ay, nakita ko nga ang babae pa nagbayad.
We understand that alone time is what you need. That is why here at Casa Mosa, peace and quiet guaranteed.
Dahil kang taka! Tugay na po na gawin sa'yo, baba! Ay! Wala na ka na ulang susunod! Bakit mo nagpapataka? Diyan sa lagi nakingon! Sus! Ayaw ko malaguta!
We have top-of-the-line hotel facilities and amenities that our guests can enjoy. Hi, sorry, I think your Wi-Fi is not working. My apologies, I'll have it looked at for you. What on earth is going on here? We're shooting a commercial. This is so embarrassing.
Mari, napalit na ata ng password ng kapitbahay natin. Di ba nakakunik lang tayo doon? Okay.
The coffee is on the house. And just so you know, we didn't bother installing any CCTV. Because why would we? You have me. Here at Casa Mosa, you can find confidence that we are always on top of things. Oh, how we love to be on top of things. Casa Mosa, your business is our business. And remember, whatever happens in Casa Mosa, do not stay in Casa Mosa. We'll talk about it on Twitter, on Facebook Live, on TikTok, on Instagram. We'll even have a GC dedicated for you.
Hoy, be, kumusta? It's been a while. O, kumusta yung household na napag-assignan sa'yo? Eto, stress. Ang lilinis kasi nila doon, be. Teka, bakit parang ang fresh at ang lusog mo? Ay, be, sobrang welcoming ng napuntahan kong family. Isipin mo, tuwing kakain, front seat ako. Kain na.
Mamaya na yung laro.
Come na.
Mama, thank you very much. You know that I love chicken nuggets. Me too, Mama.
Taray, walang hugas-hugas hands. Go! Bakit? Yung sa'yo ba? Ay, sa wakas makakain
I
din.
love this food, Mama.
naman ito, Han.
Wash your hands muna.
Oh, of course, tara na.
Daddy, you know what I did sa school earlier? I built a rocket ship.
Yeah, that sounds great. Ano pang
Make it faster.
Tapos sa gabi, ay, Diyos ko, kasama nila ako matulog. And they lived happily ever after.
Good night, Mama.
Good night, my darling. Mukhang di ka ata nakakatulog ng maayos dun, Bea. Hindi nga eh. E paano for the half bath and punas ang mga first one before bedtime doon? Ganon pa man, success pa din ang mission ko. Dahil nakakuha ako ng sample ng secret weapon nila. Ang Hygienix Germis Hydal Soap. Ipe-present ko to kay boss. Patingin nga. Huwag kang papaloko sa refreshing scent niyan, Veps. Because it kills 99.9% of bacteria like us. Ako yung maswerteng 0.01%. Moisturizing sa balat nila pero delikado sa atin. Yan ang tinatawag nilang germ killer. Skin lover. Ay, free of 10 unwanted chemicals din siya, be. Yes, and mas lalo siyang delikado kasi available siya in all leading supermarkets, drugstores, convenience stores, mga usuking tindahan, kahit Lazada and Shop. Huwag mong hawakan! Very wrong! Ayun, kasama ka sa 99.9% Veps. Kakasabi ko lang na delikado, parang di ka naman nag-grade. Hi boss, may good news ako sa'yo. Unusually nice of you to invite me out for dinner. I couldn't agree more. And besides, this place is exquisite. Very good choice. Yes, we should. Waiter. Bienvenue to Jacqueline's Carinderier. May I take the order? I'd like to get the bistique and the pancit beyond. What about you, dear? Lo, ginalingan. Gimmick lang namin dito yung accent eh. June, pasalang ng bola, lo. May table 5 ako. My gosh, come in! Come in! Ayan, pasok kayo and welcome sa aming humble na tahanan. Siyempre, bilang asawa of the chairman, dapat hospitable tayo. I recognize the home buddies when I see one. Uy, Day Arlene! Ang ganda-ganda naman pala ng loob ng bahay mo. Uy, maliwalas ba? Thank you, Manang Yols. Yan sila, Ma'am Arlene. Hindi yan sila bumibili sa sari-sari store ko. Social kasi yan sila. Doon yan sila mabili lagi sa supermarkets. Pero okay lang naman. Thank you talaga sa pag-invite Ate Arlene ha. Kahit kakalibat lang namin dito ni Nelson. Honestly, curious ako kung magkano yung bill ng kuryente nila, Ma'am Arlene. Naka-on lahat ng aircon tsaka ang daming appliances. Ako, darling, that's why nga I invited you. Para you'll have friends here na. You know, the thing about Arlene, she always really wants to impress. Oh, mga Mari, naghanda pala ako ng merienda for everyone. I hope you like it. Sus, nagabala pa talaga siya, oy. Inoo ko. Way lami. Why is it so pale? Sige, kain lang. Ay, hala. Burn out? Dali, Day. May ilaw man dun sa bilyaran nila, boy, oh. Naputulan ata kayo, ate. Not so impressive anymore, are we? Ako, yun na nga ba sinasabi ko? I think we forgot to pay. We missed the due date. Ay ate, di po kayo nakaka-receive ng text reminders or advisories from Meralco? Ha? Meralco texts you guys? Also, paano malalaman ni Meralco ang contact information ko? Nakapangalan pa sa tatay ni chairman ang bill namin here. Hindi pa siya na-update.
Arlene, it is very important for you to update your contact information so you can get notifications for your bills, payments, brownout alerts, and other advisories through your preferred channel. It can be SMS, email, or both.
Apparently, I didn't know you can do that.
Oh, it is very easy. Just go to this website right here to update your contact details and other important information. Update, Paradigmalate!
Ay, it's that easy lang pala. Okay, I'll do it na after ko magbayad now.
Ma'am Arlene, nandito na ako.
Ay, bakit madilim? Aba, teka. First lady, naputulo ng kuryente. Iba din. Paano ako magmamanipedi kung ang dilim, aber? Buti na lang kamo may papansit. Na hindi din masarap.